Hey guys, this is Sam from the Privateers team. I wanted to take a minute just to take you through some new stuff that we've put into our event editor. Basically, it's quest chains and character dialogues. So let's jump right in and I'll show it off to you. So here's our event editor. The first thing I'm going to do is add a new event. This is all old stuff, and I'm just going to name it my demo event. And then I'm going to say allow random false because I don't want this event. It's going to be part of a quest. I don't want it to just randomly place in the world. I want to place it explicitly. Can give it a tooltip name, test event, something is happening, map icon, the anchor, why not? And then I'm going to say remove event false. I don't want it to go away after I leave it. And then I'm going to add a dock because this is going to be like a town or something. And we'll put like 8 guys here. And then add a start dialogue that says you come to a port. Add a response. Okay. All right, so this is just a very, very simple, the most simple framework for an event that you can have. Go ahead and save that. So now what I want to do is I want to add somebody in this place that you can talk to. So I'm going to add the new type, a new dialogue. So here comes a character dialogue when I push that. You name this as well. I'm going to call it the town mayor 1, and I'll put some text. We have a pirate problem. Please help. And I'm going to make it a type quest. This affects the bubble that's over his head, what it looks like. A quest will give it an exclamation mark. And again, I'm going to say allow random false because I want to explicitly place this guy into the scene. If I say true, then some random guy could end up with this dialogue, and I don't want that to happen. I'm going to call add response to this dialogue, and notice that this response node looks just like the response node that you get in an event. You can do anything that you could do in an event response, you can do in this dialogue response. So we will help, or we can add another response that says no way, right? So here's the dialogue that we can have. We can add a dialogue result here. Thank you. No problem. Okay, and then I want to place a guy in the scene that uses this character dialogue. So I'm going to go ahead onto this, and I'm going to add an action result here, and it's going to be add characters to prop. The prop is going to be the dock. I'm going to make him a Navy guy because I want him to look official, just one of him. And then I'm going to take this dialogue that I have here, Town Mayor 1, and put that as the dialogue, and we'll call him the mayor. He's neutral. Okay, so this should work in terms of, now I'll have an event that has this guy that has this dialogue in it. So let's save it, and let's switch over to our game. And in the game, we need to make sure that we place this event. We said allow random false, so I need to explicitly put my demo event into the game. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this spot right here, grab one of these nodes, change it to my demo event, and it's always use marker, which forces it to place my demo event into the game, and then go to the start region and click apply. Now my demo event should start up right next to where my character starts. So I'm going to hit play, and let's see that it works. Okay, there's the anchor. Let's go ahead and sail to it. And when we get here, it should have that quest text that we saw. Okay, it says you came to a port. Okay. Nope, that guy's stuck there. Oh, I didn't add a dock. I added another ship? Is that what I did? Let's go check. Oops. Play this. Stop this. Load my event. What did I do? Oh, I did. My prop is not a dock. The prop needs to, the dock that needs to map the dock that I'm adding the mayor to. So let's try this again. Shoot. Here we go. Okay, let's go to the anchor. Okay, now we're at a dock, and let's see if we can find the mayor here. I have to fix that. Let's see. There he is. He's hiding over there. So let's click on the mayor, and here we go. The mayor. We have a pirate problem. Please help. And I say, no way. Or I can say, we will help. Thank you. No problem. Okay, so this just shows that we can, and here's a guy using a random dialogue. Isaac the cheat. So much work to do. So this shows that we can now add a guy into a scene, give him some dialogue, and talk to him. Okay, so that's one new functionality. The other new functionality that I want to show is the ability to add quest chains. So let's go down to the bottom, and there's this new button up here say New Quest. So this will start a quest chain, and we can name it we name it Lots of Pirates. And the owning event, so then you have to give a quest an event that it's tied to. So we're going to head and take our event up here, my demo event. We're going to tie the quest to this one, and then we'll add a quest step. And each step is like one thing that you have to complete during the quest. So the first quest step is going to be your basically accepting of the quest. So the bullet point will be talk to the mayor. That's what we need to do. And then there's 3 different kinds of quest steps that you can have right now. One is get an item. That means you have to go find some quest item. One is accept a dialogue, which means you need to take a particular path in an event or dialogue. And another is complete event. So you have to complete some named event. So I'm going to do accept dialogue. And then I need to go up here, and I'm going to use this response that we will help. That means that the quest will start. So I'll use that dialogue ID. And then that will move you on to the next step, which is going to be that you should destroy some pirates, okay? So let's add a pirate. Let's add a new event. Evil pirates, and don't allow it to be random. And let's see, we need to add a prop, a small ship, add some pirates to it. 3 pirates. And add a start dialogue. Oh no, pirates! Add a response. Kill them. Okay, so, and then, let's see, this is going to be a battle, so we need to add an action result. Let's wait for enemy count to go to 0. Add a dialogue. They are dead. Add a response that says, okay, so here's a basic pirate battle. And then we need to take the name of this, Evil Pirates, and for this quest step, we're going to say you need to complete the event, Evil Pirates, and the bullet point is kill the pirates. Okay, and let's save that, and then let's say, let's start with this, I guess. So then, when we talk to this guy, we're going to go through the quest and get to the stage where we need to kill the pirates, okay? The other thing we need to do is, once we pick this response here, we need to add the event for the pirates. So let's add the Evil Pirates event as the add event for this response, okay? So we hit save, and let's go to our scene. Oh, one more thing I want to show you is that you can choose to highlight an event. So when we want to go talk to the mayor, we can add a highlight here and say that we should highlight the My Demo event because that's where you should go next. Add My Demo event, and then when we're killing the pirates, we can add a highlight saying now we want to highlight the Evil Pirates event. Okay, so this will give the user some idea of where they should go next. Okay, let's go test it. So we hit play. And I'll jump in here, and first thing you see is that the anchor now has a red glow around it because of the highlight saying this is where you should go next. And because I'm close to the anchor, it's given me the quest automatically. It says lots of pirates, go talk to the mayor. This is in my quest log. So now when I go here, it's gonna still have the same stuff, but let's go find the mayor. There he is. Got lucky. And let's say we will help, no problem. Okay, so now we've accepted the quest because we passed that dialogue. So let's try sailing. And what we should see is that it's now going to ask us to kill the pirates. Okay, now it says kill the pirates. And if we wander around, we should be able to find the evil pirate ship somewhere around here. Oh, I didn't make that evil pirates event very well. I should have made it a ship, but it's actually not a ship. We can fix that. But you can see it's highlighted and it wants us to go kill the pirates. So that shows you how the quest chains kind of work. I want to show one more thing before I'm done here, though. So for the evil pirates, we could come down here and say that it's type hostile ship, and that will, make it actually a pirate ship instead of a dot like it was. So there's also ways to control how an event works based on where you are in the middle of a quest. So I want to show that really quick. So I'm going to go up to this initial event that I created. I didn't give myself a lot of room. This is going to be a problem. Let's move these down a little bit. So a couple things. One thing is I can create another character dialogue. Okay, so I'm going to create a new dialogue, and I'm going to call this one Mayor 2. And the text is going to say, have you killed the pirates yet? And I'm going to make it basic, add a response that says, not yet. Okay, and now on this other dialogue that I had that I gave the quest from, if the user accepts the quest, I'm going to add an action here. And at the bottom of the actions, there's a bunch of new ones, and these are ways that you can affect the owner of the dialogue. So the mayor, if I want to do something to the mayor as a result, I'm going to select this one, which is to change his dialogue. So I'm going to say if you've accepted the quest, the mayor should no longer have the dialogue Mayor 1, he should now have Mayor 2, because he's now waiting for you. So that's one thing, one way that we can control, we can change the dialogues based on the outcome of some certain path or beginning a quest. But if you come back, when I enter this event, it assigns Mayor 1 to him. So each time that I come back, he'll want to give me the quest. So what I'm going to do on the event start is I'm going to add a new, I'm going to get rid of the response that I have here, this result, get rid of this. And instead I'm going to add what's called a quest start condition. And when I do this, it's going to create a whole bunch of dialogue nodes for me. Because there are a bunch of different ways that a quest can, states that the quest can be in. So the quest can be in starting, in progress, complete, failed, or closed. So start is what it's going to be when I'm on the very first node and I haven't accepted the quest yet, which is what I wanted to do this dialogue. So here I'm going to just relink this one up here. Failed you don't have to do. You can make the quest can fail if you want. I'm just going to get rid of it in this example. And then complete and closed. Complete is after it's been marked complete. So in the quest here, I can say once you've killed the pirates, then I want to mark complete. That will put it into complete state. I can also say marked failed, which would put it into failed state, but I'm not going to do that. So once you kill the pirates, then the quest is complete. And that will make it go from in progress to complete. And then closed is something that you can set, is after there's no more nodes left. So because this is actually the last node, it will actually move into closed. So I'm going to go ahead and just set closed to complete. For simplicity's sake, I'll use the same event. Oopsies, here we go, closed. And then here's in progress. So I'm not going to demo this, so I'm just going to add some garbage in here. Okay, but this is what I want to show. When the quest is in progress, then I can say you still come to the port and you still just say okay, and I'm going to add the mayor into the port on this path as well. So add character, and it's going to be on the dock. He's a Navy type. He's called the mayor, but I'm going to give him this other dialogue, Mayor 2, because I don't want him to give you the quest again, right? I just want him to say, are you done yet? So let's go ahead. I saved that. Let's try it out and just show how it works quickly, since this is already a pretty long video. Let's jump into the event. Uh-oh, I think I have a problem here. Okay, I messed something up. Quest condition had no quest name. Quest condition. Oh, yeah, it's all red. Oh, it needs a quest name. All right, you have to tell it what quest it's conditioning on. So we have to give it the name Lots of Pirates. Let's put that here. Now it's not red. Should have noticed that was red. Let's try again. Jump in here. Okay, this looks better. Let's go to the event. Let's go talk to the mayor. Here he is. Ooh, we got lucky. So I say, no way. He's still giving the exclamation mark. But if I say, we will help, no problem. Now you see he's changed. He's not an exclamation mark. He's not part of the quest. Have you killed the pirates yet? Not yet. Okay, so that he changed dialogue. I'm going to go sail. And I'm not going to go kill the pirates, but instead I'm just going to come back here and show that it creates the mayor in the right state. Okay. So we'll come back. Notice it's not highlighted anymore. It's saying I need to go kill the pirates. And when I come back into this event, let's go find the mayor one more time. He's gonna be somewhere, I hope. There's the mayor. He's hiding up in the corner. And you can see he doesn't have a quest guy. He's still asking me, have I got the pirates yet? So this is how you can interleave the event, the dialogues, and the quest chains to create a sort of experience across them all. And this is really going to help the game tell stories better. So instead of just having everything be just through the event dialogue, you can actually go talk to people, interact with them, have more interesting choices that matter. You can fail the quests, and we can author these quest chains. Oh, there's one other thing I just want to tell you about. I'm not going to demo this, but when you look at the quest steps, you can add more than one. So like I have this quest step here, I can add another quest step. So there's 2 quest steps. And then there's 2 ways to deal with this. This is what this group type is. So if I say group, if I make them type group, then that means you have to, once you complete all of these quest steps, it will advance to the next step. So it's like if you have to gather 3 items, you'd put 3 things saying group all 3, and then once you're done, then you move on to go return them. You can also say branch. So if I make them branch, then that means if you complete any one of them, then it completes down that path. So this way you could have, for instance, something like either I'm going to decide to kill the pirates, or there's another branch where I join the pirates and go kill the town, right? So you can branch this off as many ways as you want to give interesting choices to the player. Okay, that's all I'm going to show for this video. So that's how you can author quests. That's how you can give characters dialogues. And hopefully we'll see a lot of really cool content coming out of this new tooling. Thanks.